let's talk about jean alterations. All right, now that we've got a couple of different jean videos up on the channel, we've got a bunch of different great comments and questions, and I think we're ready to dive into more of these details involving jean alterations. So what do we mean, jeans? Exactly what you think. Classic American denim. And a couple of the alterations that we have done, specifically how to take in a jean waist. There's a lot of questions because it's a really specific alteration, specific not only to body, but specific to types of fabric, types of denim. So let's get started with the first one, which is how much is too much? This is a great question. Here in the shop, we see so many different folks that we've got to have a general rule that fits all bodies, which of course is impossible. So we narrow it down to 4 inches. 4 inches is about the max. There's a couple of reasons for that. When you go further than 4 inches, because we're going in the center back seam, the side pockets and the back patch pockets start to pull so far back that we're really jeopardizing the best construction of the pant and the style of where do your hands go when you put them in your pocket. All the way back here, probably not gonna work. Also, the aesthetic of the patch pockets on the booty coming together too close to that center back seam to a point where they look kind of odd, they're tilted at a weird angle. So we really cut it off at 4 inches. So if you need to take a pair of jeans in 4 inches, congratulations, you are gonna be now the proud owner of a new pair of jeans. All right, next up, we've got bunching around the hips on a low-rise jean. So if you've got that high-rise jean, you've got a lot of room in between the crotch and the waist. And depending on how long your torso is or short, that can really make a lot of variability on fabric bunching. But when we have a low-rise waist, that material can only come from one thing, and it's actually not that the jeans are too big. In fact, it's that that section of the jean is too small. What do I mean by that? Where the zipper fly is, that section is called the rise. And when you've got extra bunching horizontally coming out from that area, specifically on a low-rise style jean, that means that rise is too short. The point from the crotch up to the waist is not long enough, and you need more room there. So what's the fix? Unfortunately, there isn't one. There is, of course, the option of putting in a gusset in the crotch, but we're adding extra seams, we're potentially adding non-matching fabric. It's something that we don't do mainly for aesthetic reasons, but also just because the variability of that gusset, how much opening those flat-felled usually seams gets really complicated. So again, in that situation, if you're seeing that kind of complication, that extra fabric right there on either side of the zipper, you are probably looking at a new pair of jeans. Now, let's get back to the center back. That's where we're doing that alteration, if you recall, in that taken video. When we are working on that center back seam, we had some questions about elastic. This is something that I really like getting into because elastic and fabric are not the same thing. Fabric is fabric, stretch or woven, and elastic is a whole different animal with different parts. Jeans in this case have a little bit of mechanical stretch. What do we mean by that? It means that you can kind of pull the denim in different directions and it will mold to your body. If it's got a high elastic content in the denim, even better, that's going to give you a lot of stretch. But when we're taking the waist and making the waist bigger, if we don't make the seat bigger as well, meaning we put a piece of elastic at that waist, but then we don't do anything to the seat, imagine this. You've got like a scrunchie, and when you release it, it bunches back up. That's what that denim from the seat down into the booty is gonna do. So can you cut it open and put a piece of elastic in? Yes. The reason that we go through the center back seam is that really clean, tight, beautiful look, mimicking the original look of the jean. The elastic is possible, but depends on the stretch content of the denim. And if there's no stretch, essentially sewing that elastic to the denim just makes that elastic now non-stretch fabric, because you're holding it in place with a stitching line and you're attaching it to something that doesn't stretch. So really not getting you anywhere. That's why we do that take-in the way that we do. But I encourage you to take a look at that elastic. The last elastic question is this: can't I just add it to something smaller to make it bigger? And again, we go back to that. If the garment itself isn't already bigger, just sewing elastic to it makes the elastic totally unfunctional. You gotta have enough fabric to case the elastic inside, or you're not giving yourself any stretch. So ironically, if you want to add an elastic to a garment, the garment already has to be too big to make it elastic proof. All right, thank you so much. Please continue to leave comments, questions. We love answering them. There are so many cool, finite little details about this sewing world, and we want to keep exploring them together. Like, subscribe, thank you. See you soon.